Hello friends, I'm Rajveer and in this video I'm going to show you this thing which I have recently purchased. This is a tire inflator from Bergmann and this thing I have purchased after a lot of research on Google, and I was really looking forward to one such kind of inflator which could be very handy and that could really occupy a very small space in my car. So I have come up with this thing, and really I have purchased it after a lot of research, and it has also been recommended by a lot of my friend. And so let's open this thing to show you what it has and how does it look like. So here we can see that it comes up with a very nice packing. So let me open it pull it out. I pulled it out and here is a box, and this is the tire inflator which I purchased. So I'll just keep it aside and I'll just review, I'll just show you what this box has first. So this box has this thing, a small bag which could be used to carry that tire inflator, and it also comes with the branding. This is not quite as strong, but it does serve its purpose. And it also comes with a manual, which you can see that there is a manual, entire manual, and you must read the instruction before using it. And it also comes with the 3 hosel pins, and along with this fuse, that is an extra fuse that comes with this unit. So this is the manual, and the few important things that I must read, because it says that the car engine must be in the running condition while using this device, and it must not be used continuously for more than 10 minutes. And it also says that we have to make sure that the appliance is switched off before plugging in. So this thing that I'm just keeping it aside. Let me show you the main unit. So this is the main unit, and it comes with this manual gauge meter. It has also got a bar thing like which you could use to carry it around, and it also comes with the LED light. So there are 2 switches, as you can notice, that one towards the left side and one onto the other side. So this thing that clearly indicates that it is for the LED light, and this thing is for the main unit. So let me tell you that it requires a DC voltage of 12 volt, and that provides the maximum power of 150 watt, and that fill air with 35 liter per minute. And this is the power cable, which is of 3 meter, and that thing, that knob that goes inside your car. And this is the air hose, so it is of a very fine quality, and it is of 1 meter. So the 3 pin which I showed you earlier, and let me again show you. So this is the 3 pin, and so this pin will go inside this thing depending on what you are filling air with. So it could also be used to fill air to the toys or bikes or the car. So this thing is a very handy, and so again I have already told you about this thing, this thing must not be used continuously for over 10 minutes, because it has been the advisory which has been issued by the company itself. And this thing comes up with these 4 legs, which is quite smooth, and that provides its stability to this unit while you are filling air with. So I would say that the more than 50% of this unit has hard fiber or the plastic, and the rest are metal. So this thing is a very light metal, I would say that, not that of good quality, but this thing seems very rock hard. And this is the LED light. So I haven't as of now I haven't used it, so I won't tell you that how effective it is, but I'm sure that it will definitely be effective when your car has a flat tire and the area is not that much illuminated. So this is the unit, and I would say that everyone must have this unit, and this is the must have unit for everyone, those who have a car. And because in the middle of the road, you do not want the mechanic to be calling around and to come to you, especially when your car has a flat tire. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and I'll definitely provide another update. And if I come up with any kind of malfunction, or if I come up with any more qualities which probably I haven't given you in this video, so I'll definitely make another video after I use it. So thank you very much for watching my videos.